In this video, we're going to talk about inflation. What is inflation? Well, every year things go up in price. A phone costing 5,000 TL at the beginning of the year, if there's an inflation rate of 10% per annum, at the end of the year will cost 6,600 TL. It'll have gone up 10% in value. Well, not in value, it will now cost you 10% more. So when we are investing in a bank, say, and it pays 6% per annum, and the inflation rate is 4%, we're not really getting 6%. We have to take into account the rate of inflation. So let's do a couple of questions. Jane invests $10,000 in an account paying 6% per annum. How much does she have after 5 years? So let's write down what we've got. We want to know the future value. That's what we've been asked to find. The present value is what she invested, so that is $10,000. The interest rate is 6% per annum, so it's going to be compounded annually, so K is equal to 1, and we want it after 5 years, so N is equal to 5. So we want to work out the future value, which is equal to 10,000 times, open brackets, 1 plus 6 over 100 raised to the power of 5. And I'm going to do that on my GDC. I've opened the GDC at a calculator page. So let's type in our sum. So 10,000 times, open brackets, 1 plus, I want a fraction, so control divide, 6 divided by 100. Make sure I'm outside the bracket, raised to the power of 5. Press enter. It's given me as a fraction. I want a decimal, so go to menu, number, convert to decimal, press enter. So her initial $10,000 investment after 5 years is worth $13,382.30. Write down the future value. So the future value is equal to $13,382.30. Part B. The annual inflation rate is 4%. What is the real value of Jane's investment? Well, the real value, or the future value, is equal to the real value times inflation. Well, we know what the future value is. It's what her investment is after her interest has been accrued. So her future value is worth $13,382.30. We want to find the real value. We know what the inflation rate is. It's 4%. So we want 1 plus 4 over 100 over the 5 years. So we've got 13,382.30 equals the real value times 1.04 to the power of 5. So the real value is equal to $13,382.30 divided by 1.04 to the power of 5. So the real value is equal to $10,999.28. So that is what the after inflation has been taken into account, is how much her $10,000 investment is really worth. So instead of making $3,382 in interest, she's really only made just shy of $1,000 in interest after the inflation re-effect has been taken into account.